Welcome back, guys. So all different entities have started pooling their resources to help victims of Hurricane Melissa. Ramesh Major, CEO of Ramesh Entertainment and Major Marketing, has been rallying the troops to get the necessary help to our brothers and sisters. Hi, Ramesh. Welcome to Weekend Smile. Good morning.
Hi, thank you for having me here.
You are more than welcome, Ramesh. We have been seeing a lot of traffic, on social media. A lot of persons have been putting, hearts and hands together, and they have been contributing tremendously to the cause. What actually prompted you to start this initiative?
Well, this is a norm for me. Whenever my country need me, I'm there for it. I did it in COVID. I did it last year for burial. So this is the biggest destruction I've seen to the country. So we have to step up and go quickly. So it's not anything special that I've done. It's just that my country need me, so I'm going to serve.
Yeah, I mean, you are no stranger to giving back, as you mentioned. A lot of persons have always commended you about that as well, because no matter what is taking place, you always manage to find a way to give back, and to rally persons together. What have you gathered so far? What have you done so far? Because I see a lot of things, but tell me, what have you really, gotten so far?
We have a huge platform, we have a huge structure, because we have the company that, over the years we have built a company called Ramesh Entertainment and Major Marketing. So that's my structure. And we have the resources. When we say we have the resources, mean we have all the trucks, all the staff, all the relationship with great persons and corporate. So we utilize them. But on this time, we actually went out and asked the people of Jamaica and the people across the world to help us in any way you can. And it has been so great. We have gotten so much water, snacks, products. We have gotten numerous stuff. Well, I know for a fact that me get enough stuff can feed over 1,000 family right now.
Wow.
And that is different from what I've purchased throughout my companies. So at the end of the day, we have to big up Jamaica, because I see the input, it's overwhelming, it feels so good. Yesterday I got teary when I did them sit down for an hour in my office and I say, yo, God, no, look how everybody I work together, look for my country, we I work so hard together for build it back, and it was so touching. Even sometimes I talk about it or I think about it, you get teary, because I'm very diehard for my country, and to see it in this state, I'm so happy to see that all of us can come together and make a difference.
Yeah. What are you mostly requesting though? Would it be like mostly non-perishable items or so?
Yes. So a lot of tin food, a lot of crackers, a lot of ply, a lot of tarpaulin, a lot of rope, a lot of nail, a lot of hammer, things that can move quickly. When you give someone these things, it helps immediately. You give a man a bag of food him eat for 2 days, can pack it in bully beef and eat him crackers right there, so and feel so much better. If a man roof lift off, you can give him a tarpaulin. Even if you can't cover the entire house, it can cover a room or 2 rooms, so them can get a comfortable sleep. It's really hard out there. You're going out there, you have different personalities, you have different people, you have different needs, you have different wants. You have people where no matter how much you give them, we can't make them happy, because them lose every single thing.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, we're trying to help as much as possible, but we are trying to make it make sense. You understand? And as we speak today, we're on our way, as I finish this interview, and go to Mobe, seeing that everyone is putting their attention to St. Elizabeth. So we're going to Mobe, Hanover, and Trelawney today. So that's my aim for today. And then next week, we'll try again to go to Westmoreland and Mandeville and St. Elizabeth. So I'm trying to touch everywhere.
Okay. You touched on the rollout plan, Ramesh. You said this week you go into a few places, next week you go into a few places. But in addition to going there, I know that you must have an idea as to how you plan to distribute and just to kind of get stuff out to as many persons as possible. Touch as many lives as possible.
In COVID, when we did COVID, it was easier because people were home.
Yeah.
And you knock on a door, you go to a certain place and you drop off some bags. Last year in Beryl, we drove through areas of St. Elizabeth and we gave items to different people. This year it's different. The anger is out there, the hunger is out there. So we've got news that people are flocking, people that are coming with goods. So we have to bring certain protection. We have to have police with us now, and we have to know how we do it. In a state like this, It doesn't matter how much you plan. You have to be flexible, you have to be smart. When you go into an area, you can't just open the truck and say you're serving. You have to look and see what is best and be flexible now to adapt to the situation and what's going on. So if me ever sit down and tell us I have the best plan, I can't tell that. Right. I know areas that I'm trying to go, and I'm going into those areas with tractors, forklift, chainsaw where if we have a minor blockage, we can clear it ourselves and go into these places because the government can't do it itself. We as individual and we as private sector or small companies, we have to utilize our resources and help in any way we can safely. So that we don't have no plan. We just have go to these places. We have spoken to the proper people, the mayor of each parish, the police down there, as well as the man them with on the ground, the community persons. Then we have to talk to everybody to understand the feel and the vibe of what's going on.
Yeah, definitely, Ramesh. And I'm sure that, after you have visited these places, you would want to do more as well, as much as you can, possibly, just to kind of help persons to get back on their feet as quickly as possible.
I've closed my company for 2 weeks completely.
Wow.
And I've made myself to my team, and I have to big up my friends like Zime and Chef Shay and Adri. Those persons are just some business partners that we have that work together, and they're giving me their all. They've joined with me, so it's more power to us. And we're doing this right through. Even when I open up my business, I'm still doing it. Any help I can. I have so much people in my DM internationally saying they're going to send stuff. From an international perspective, by the time you reach here, it will be next 2 weeks. But I can tell my country, so I'm giving my all from now till December to just help as much people as I can, whether people overseas help me or whether I have to use my personal money, but I'll be helping people every single day of this year.
Definitely. And for persons who are watching right now, they see the work that you have done, Ramesh, and what you continue to do, and they still want to be a part of it. They still want to contribute. They might not be able to make it down physically to St. Elizabeth or Westmoreland or, Hanover, Trelawney, any of these parishes, but they still want to contribute. It's not too late, I'm sure.
No, every day you can contribute.
Okay.
Canned food, I don't say anything at all. If it's a case of water, any single thing at all. As you can see, we have Zelle info where you can send Zelle donation. If you're from Canada, you can DM me and I'll give you a PayPal. If you're from England, well, we can do transfers, but I would prefer people can get their friends and family here to go and buy the products and give me. But if you don't, you can always send the money because, the beauty with it, working with these companies throughout the years, if I go to Wesinco and I say, Wesinco, I am purchasing 100 cases of water to give away, they're going to say, Ramesh, I'm going to match you 100 cases and give you another 100. Right. So it kind of have a more benefit when I'm going to purchase because I get with a discount or I get more free case. So that's more value for money for the people.
Yeah. And, a lot of persons have been, facing difficulty with even reaching family members too, and they're saying, listen, it is just so heartbreaking and just so terrifying that you're just so unsure as to, is my family alive? Are they okay? And I'm sure that the Ramesh team will help them, whoever their family members are, to bring some form of comfort to them while you're making those visits.
Well, while I told I have 2 team members that tomorrow when we're going to people, we're going to make videos and we're going to ask them if they have spoken to their family. And if they say no, then we can have a video and put out some videos as well. So someone can say, hey, Ramesh, I'm here in Mobile. We don't have no service, but we're happy and okay. So at least it can bring some comfort. We don't know if it will work or not, but we will try. Nothing beats effort. And in a time like this, we need to just be kind and loving to our neighbors. I don't care with anybody when we have no beef or no vibe with. Anybody can want to help. I am ready to take the help from everyone. We need to work together as one Jamaica. You can't hate me after all of this done. Hate me back. No, we just want everybody to be on the same mission, the same goal. All of us work together. We just try to bring back the country because we need it. Every single one of us. Even if you just go there and help tie a rope, even if you send somebody a credit, even if you give 1 bottle of water, even if you give a word of wisdom, we need the help from the entire Jamaica and the entire world.
Oh gosh, thank you so much, Ramesh, for all the work that you have done and that what you continue to do as well. And I'm sure that persons watching this interview will, of course, head on over, contribute, and be a part of all of this to just build back Jamaica even better and stronger. So all the very best on your journey. Travel safely, and we're looking forward to seeing the benefits of all of this.
Thank you. And I will send clips. You can just ask and I'll send clips throughout the day, okay?
Yeah, man, no problem. We really appreciate Ramesh. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
All right. Ramesh Major, ladies and gentlemen, CEO of Ramesh Entertainment and Major Marketing. More on the other side of this break. Don't go anywhere.